Hey guys, welcome back to Garn's Garage. David Garn here. If your check engine light is on with a P0010 or P0011 code, don't panic. These codes relate to the camshaft position actuator circuit and cam timing issues on bank 1, and they can seriously affect your engine's performance. Today I'll break down what these codes mean, what causes them, and how to diagnose and fix them like a pro. So grab your tools and let's get started. First, let's break down what these codes actually mean. P0010, camshaft position actuator circuit, bank 1. This means the engine control module, ECM, has detected an issue in the circuit that controls the variable valve timing, VVT solenoid, on bank 1 of your engine. P0011, camshaft timing over advanced, bank 1. This code means the ECM has detected that the camshaft timing is too far advanced compared to where it should be. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine where cylinder number 1 is located, so depending on your engine layout, it could be either side. To understand these codes, we need to talk about variable valve timing, or VVT. VVT allows your engine to adjust the timing of the intake and exhaust valves for better performance and fuel efficiency. The ECM controls this using a VVT solenoid, which regulates oil flow to the camshaft actuator. When everything works correctly, your engine optimizes power at high RPMs and fuel efficiency at low RPMs. But when something goes wrong, like in the case of P0010 or P0011, your engine may run rough, lose power, or even stall. If your car has either of these codes, here's what you might notice. Common symptoms: check engine light on, rough idling or engine stalling, poor acceleration or loss of power, reduced fuel efficiency, engine running hotter than usual, rattling noise from the engine if timing is severely off. If you have these symptoms, it's time to diagnose the issue before it causes major engine damage. Now let's talk about what actually causes these codes. Most common causes. 1. A faulty VVT solenoid. If the solenoid is stuck or clogged, it won't control oil flow properly. 2. Dirty or low engine oil. Old or low oil can clog the VVT system, preventing proper operation. 3. Wiring issues. A damaged or corroded wire to the VVT solenoid can cause circuit problems. 4. A faulty camshaft position sensor. If this sensor fails, the ECM can't correctly adjust timing. And finally, timing chain or belt issues. A stretched or misaligned timing chain can throw cam timing off. Ignoring these issues for too long could lead to serious engine damage, so let's diagnose it properly. Here's how to diagnose P0010 and P0011 step by step. Step 1. Check the engine oil. Low, dirty, or incorrect oil can cause VVT failures. If the oil is dark or sludgy, change it with the manufacturer recommended oil. Step 2. Inspect the VVT solenoid. Locate the VVT solenoid, usually near the timing cover. Unplug the electrical connector and check for loose or corroded wires. Use a multimeter to test resistance across the solenoid terminals. It should match specs in your repair manual. Step 3. Test the VVT solenoid function. Remove the solenoid and apply 12 volts power to see if it activates. If it doesn't click or move, replace it. Step 4. Inspect the timing chain or belt. If you hear a rattling noise, your timing chain may be stretched. Check the timing marks to see if the cam and crank are properly aligned. If everything checks out, the problem could be with the camshaft position sensor or the ECM itself. If you've diagnosed the issue, here's how to fix it. Fixes for P0010 and P0011: change the engine oil and filter if it's old or dirty. Replace the VVT solenoid if it fails the test. Fix any damaged wiring or connectors leading to the solenoid. Replace the camshaft position sensor if faulty, and inspect and replace the timing chain or tensioner if worn out. After making repairs, clear the codes using an OBD2 scanner and test drive the car. So, there you have it. P0010 and P0011 are camshaft timing-related codes, and while they might seem complicated, they often have simple fixes like changing the oil or replacing a VVT solenoid. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Garn's Garage, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more auto repair tips. If there's something I missed and you could add it to the comments, that would be very much appreciated. Have an awesome day.